Good morning students. Today we are going for the last topic of chapter 15, that is MCQ, multiple choice questions. Okay, here I written the question and we will be doing the direct answer. Okay, area of triangle is 30 centimeter square. If base is 10, then height. What is the formula for area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is half base into height. So half base into height is given as 30 centimeter square and base is given as 10. So find height, that is 10 by 2 into h, it is 5h. 5h is equal to, so h is 6 centimeter. So you got the height of the triangle as 6 centimeter. Now next one is, if perimeter of a square is 80, then its area. So perimeter of a square is 80 means you have to find the side. What is side of a square? Perimeter, the formula is 4a equal to 80, where a is the side. So a is 20. Now what is area of a square? A square. So 20 square is 400. Unit is centimeter square. So you got it as 400 centimeter square. Okay. Now next one is, if area of a parallelogram. Okay, what is the formula for area of a parallelogram? Base into height. So area of a parallelogram is base into height, that is given as 48 centimeter square. Height is given as 6. So base into 6. So what is base? Base you will get as 48 by 6, that is 8 centimeter. Okay, so you got it as 8 centimeter. Now next one, if D is the diameter of a circle, then find the area. So you know that area of a circle is pi r square. Okay, so what is the relation between the diameter and radius? Diameter is 2r. So r, here you will get is r as d by 2. So here instead of r you will write it as pi d by 2 whole square. So it is pi d square by 4. So the formula is pi d square upon 4. Yeah, 1 by 4 pi d square. If area of a trapezium is 64 centimeter square and the distance between the parallel sides is 8 centimeter, then sum of the parallel sides. What is the formula for area of a trapezium? Area of a trapezium is half h into sum of parallel sides. Okay, so what is given here? You have to find sum of parallel sides. Area is given as 64 and distance between the parallel sides h is given as 8. So 4 into sum of parallel sides is 64. So what is sum of parallel sides? It is 64 by 4. How much it is? 16. So you got the answer as 16. Unit is centimeter, that is 64 by 4. Okay. Now area of a rhombus whose diagonals are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So when the diagonals are given, what is the area? How will you find out the area? Area is half d1 d2. So area of rhombus is half d1 d2. So d1 d2 both are given, that is half into 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48. 48 by 2 is 24. So you have got the answer as 24 centimeter square. So you got the answer as 24 centimeter square. If the length of the diagonal of a rhombus is doubled, then the area, both the diagonals it is doubled. So area is half d1 d2. Okay. Now the lengths are doubled. So half into 2d1 into 2d2. So what is it? 4. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 d1 d2. 4 by 2 d1 d2 means 2. That is 4 times, isn't it? When you half d1 d2, so it is 4 into half d1 d2. Okay, half d1 d2 is the original area. When the diagonals are doubled, it will be 4 times. Okay, it will be 4 times the earlier area. Now the last question, if the length of the quadrilateral is 10 centimeter and lengths of the perpendiculars are 4 and 6 centimeter, then the area of the quadrilateral. So area of the quadrilateral, what is the general formula for area of the quadrilateral? General formula is half D, that is to the diagonal, both the perpendiculars are there. So it is half D H1 plus H2. Okay, then what is given? Given is length of the quadrilateral is this one. The length of diagonal of the quadrilateral. This is diagonal. Length of diagonal. Okay, length of diagonal of the quadrilateral. So diagonal is given. That is D is given. So it is half D. That is half into 10 into H1 plus H2, 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. So 10 into 10, 100. 100 by 2. That is 50. Area is centimeter square because they are in centimeters. So you have to learn the formula and hope you have revised this one, and we will continue. Okay. So we'll go for the next question. That is question number 12. If the volume of a cube is 729 centimeter cube, then its surface area. What is the formula for volume of a cube? Volume of a cube is a cube. So a cube is 729. So cube root of 729 is 9. So you got the side as side equals 9. Okay, 9 centimeter. Now what is the formula for surface area? Surface area is 6a square for a cube. So 6 into a square is 81. 6 ones are 6, 6 8s are 48. So you got it as 486. Surface area, the unit is centimeter square. Okay. Now next question. If the length of a side of a cube is doubled, then its new volume, ratio of new volume to the original volume. So what is the volume? A cube. So first is a cube. Now a became 2a. So it is 2a cube. See, there is a tendency among the students to write just 2a cube. It's not. It is 2a whole cube. So it is 2 cube a cube. That is 8a cube. So a cube became 8a cube. That is 2a whole cube. Okay. So what is the ratio of new volume to the original volume? New volume is 8a cube upon a cube. 8 ratio 8 by 1 you get. So if you write it in the ratio, it is 8 is to 1. That is a new volume to original volume. Otherwise it will be 1 ratio 8. Now next, if the dimensions of a rectangular room are 10 meter by 12 meter by 9 meter, that is length, breadth and height are given, then cost of painting its 4 walls at rupees 8 per meter square. So area of 4 walls of a cuboid, because it is a rectangular room, so we will consider it as a cuboid. So here it is, this is L, this is B and this is H. Okay, so area of 4 walls, that is perimeter of base into height, as base is a rectangle, it is 2H into L plus B. Okay, so we will substitute it. 2H means 2 into 9 into L plus B, 10 plus 12, it is 22. So it is 44 into 9. 9 4s are 36, balance 3, 9 4s are 36, it is 396. You got it as 396. How many meters square? 396 meters square. Now what is the cost? Per meter square it is 8. So it is 396 into 8. So the cost is 396 into 8. 8 6 are 48, balance 4, 8 9s are 72, 76, balance 7, 8 3s are 24, 30, 31. So it is rupees 3168. The cost is rupees 3168. Okay, this is the meter square and you will multiply with the cost. Cost is rupees 8 per meter square. Now next is volume of a cylinder is given. What is the formula for volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h. So it is given as, and diameter of the base. See, the diameter is given. So what is radius? It is d by 2. That is 14 upon 2. That is 7. So volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. That is given as 1848. Right? 1848. Now we will substitute the value. What is given? the value is given as diameter, radius is 7. So we will take it as 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into h is 1848. Okay. Now 1 7 cancels. So it is h is equal to, you get here as 1848 upon 22 into 7. So if you cancel it, 244, it is 6, 28, it is 4. So then you cancel it 1 time, 44, it is 2 times. So here you get the answer as height is 12 centimeter. Okay, you got it as 12 centimeter. Now, if the radius of the cylinder is doubled and height is half, such kind of questions are very, very important, because you will get like earlier also you got length of the cube, it is doubled, then what is its surface area or what is its volume or the ratio of new volume to this one. Same way, if height is halved or height is doubled for a cylinder, radius is doubled, so what is its new volume or what is the ratio of the new volume to its old volume, everything. So here radius, that is volume of a cylinder. What is the volume of a cylinder? Volume of cylinder you are getting as formula is pi r square h. Okay. Now what is it? R is doubled and height is halved. So wherever you are getting r, you will put it as 2r. So r became 2r and height became h by 2. So this one you had to substitute. That is pi 2r square. Again 2r square, it is not 2r whole square. So it is 4r square into h by 2. So this one cancels, it is 2. So you got it as 2 into pi r square. In terms of the volume you had to find out. This is the volume. So it became 2 into pi r square. That means it is 2 times. The new volume is 2 times that of the old volume. Okay. So these questions, that is question number 14, question number 17, such kind is very, very important. Okay. Check it. You can do at home also, giving that it is when it is doubled or when it is halved, when the height is doubled, everything. You can just practice at home. Okay. And all the formula you have to revise it properly. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.